Hello, and welcome to the short demo of our module, Object Modifier. The Object Modifier is one of 12 modules that come with our IDM Toolbox product. The other modules, for which we also provide short demo videos, help you to design drivers, workflow forms, or mail templates, to analyze hundreds of driver trace files simultaneously, to copy thousands of objects from one LDAP directory to another, to document drivers, workflows, and directory schemas, or to translate workflows without NetIQ's designer tool. This means the IDM Toolbox is the ultimate Swiss pocket knife for all consultants, project managers, and developers working with NetIQ's Identity Manager. But let's start with the module Object Modifier. With the Object Modifier, you are able to do bulk modification on any LDAP directory like Active Directory, eDirectory, or Apache. In our demo, we will do a mass modification in an Active Directory. The company running this Active Directory is a worldwide enterprise. They have a marketing office in New York City. As you can see, they have 6 employees working in this office. They're responsible for the marketing in whole North America. Recently, the company opened up a new and larger office in San Francisco. San Francisco has a larger marketing department than the one in New York. Therefore, the New York office is only responsible for the East Coast. So we have to change the department from all employees in the marketing office in New York from Marketing to Marketing East, and the description from Marketing North to Marketing East Coast. Let's do this with our Object Modifier. Click the tab Object Modifier. We've already prepared a modification setting for that specific task. So we select Add Change Department and Description from the drop-down box and load these settings. In the parameter directory, we see that this setting connects to our Active Directory. The base DN shows that we're going to read all user objects from the marketing container in New York City. The filter parameter means that we'll read all objects from this container and do not apply any specific filter. Based on these parameters, we can click the Load button to read all affected users from Active Directory. We'll see the same 6 users as we already have seen in the Active Directory Management Console. Now, we have to change some parameters. First, we want to replace the value in attribute department with Marketing East, and second, we have to replace the value in attribute description with value Marketing North America East Coast. If we're done, we can press the Run button and click OK to confirm the message that the modification process has been executed. Let's have a look at the log file to check whether all went well. The log file shows in detail every object that was manipulated, which modification was applied, and how the modification processes were executed on the objects. The log doesn't show any problem, so let's check the users in Active Directory. We press the Reload button in the Management Console and notice that the values in Attribute Department and in Attribute Description have been changed according to our definition. This was just a short and simple example how you can do bulk modification in an Active Directory. As you might have seen, you can also add new values, replace existing values, or also remove specific values on any attribute. In one single run, you can include as many action items as you like. You can even do a dry run, a simulation to see in the log file what would happen to your objects if you would really execute your settings. The possibilities are endless. The nicest thing is, you can save your modification settings and reuse them at any time. I hope you enjoyed this video. You may also have a look at our additional videos we have about the other modules that are part of the IDM Toolbox, like Driver Designer and Documenter, Directory Cloner, or Workflow Form and Email Template Designer. Thanks for watching and have a great day!